how to find Hotspot password on Samsung. So if you're using a Samsung Galaxy device, either the S series, the Ultra series, M series, or H series, and now you want to find your hotspot password, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to find hotspot password on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page like this, scroll down and click on connections. Now once you've selected connections, you want to scroll down, click on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then you should see your mobile hotspot. Your mobile hotspot is the same thing as Samsung mobile hotspot. So click on this. Then on this page, whether you turn on the mobile hotspot or not, just scroll down the page. Then you should see password. You should also see the network name. So if you turn on mobile hotspot on your phone, like this, and anyone wants to connect to your Samsung phone hotspot, you just need to present this particular password. You see that? So just copy and share, or just dictate the password to the person to use it and connect to your Samsung hotspot under configure Samsung hotspot. So that is basically how to find hotspot password on Samsung. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.